Hi, I'm Piero Del Fuego. I cut my fashion teeth on the mean streets of Lancashire, came to America for bigger opportunities, and eventually bigger clothes. I've managed to forge quite the career in fashion. Now my passion is beach fashion. We're going to spend a week in Baja California Sur, Mexico, seeing the latest, the bravest, the most innovative. I'm going to show you my latest trick for staying warm on the beach. Welcome to Baja. Starting the collection is the Long John Silver. It's for those of us who want to wear beach-themed t-shirts, board shorts, but don't like the inconvenience of that chilly beach wind. On open beaches like this, there's a solution. Get on your all-tactical black Long Johns. Full leg and arm coverage. Pair it off with smart wool socks and 3-strap brown Tevas. It's an enabling and empowering fashion solution. It's good for those with weak constitutions, children under 6, the elderly, pregnant women. Sometimes you just feel like jogging 50, 60 feet with a loved one hand in hand. Other times you've got that urge to do a cartwheel but don't quite dare. But wearing the Long John Silver outfit,
the full coverage.
You'll always think you're capable.
Tequila Grande, extra for the taste you love. Now with more worms.